for people are abstracted from the world from nature, nature from the heavens, and the heavens from the natural world. Humans excessively exploited the Earth's resources and created excessive emissions, leading to the melting of glaciers and frequent occurrences of extreme weather. Billions of tons of garbage are produced every year. How much more can the Earth absorb? How long can the Earth be mined?
Making mistakes in generations and centuries past would have consequences that we could overcome.
GEM, the practitioner of exploiting urban mines and the promoter of the new energy industry. With the mission of limited resources, unlimited recycling, GEM focuses on two core business areas: exploiting urban mines and power battery materials manufacturing from recycling waste batteries, exploiting nickel, cobalt, tungsten, rare resources, recycling electronic waste, and processing end-of-life vehicles to new energy materials manufacturing and power battery packs recycling. GEM has made numerous major breakthroughs. These include constructing an urban mines exploitation system and a new energy material manufacturing system from the recycling of waste and the environmental-friendly treatment of waste resources, as well as the remanufacturing of green products. GEM has become the world's leading enterprise for waste batteries recycling, nickel, cobalt, tungsten, and other rare metals recycling, environmental-friendly electronic waste processing, the comprehensive utilization of end-of-life vehicles, and ternary precursor materials manufacturing by building the National Circular Economy Education Demonstration Base, the National Urban Mines Demonstration Base, the National Green Factory, and the National Engineering Research Center for WEEE Recycling. GEM has already become a leading practitioner of the green development concept. Spanning a distance of 3,000 kilometers across China, GEM has built 16 urban mining bases and new energy material manufacturing bases in 11 provinces and cities, such as Guangdong, Hubei, Jiangsu, Jiangxi, Henan, Hunan, Zhejiang, Tianjin, Shanxi, Inner Mongolia, and Fujian. GEM recycles waste for more than 40% of China. Established 7 end-of-life vehicles recycling centers, 6 electronic waste eco-friendly processing centers, 5 waste power batteries comprehensive utilization centers, 4 battery material manufacturing centers, 3 waste plastic recycling centers, 2 solid waste treatment centers, and 1 nickel cobalt tungsten resource recycling center. GEM recycles 30 kinds of scarce resources such as cobalt, nickel, copper, tungsten, gold, silver, palladium, rhodium, germanium, indium, and other rare earth metals. GEM's annual waste batteries recycling accounts for more than 10% of the total in China. Its annual electronic waste WEEE recycling accounts for more than 10% of the total in China. Its annual tungsten recycling accounts for 5% of China's tungsten production. Its annual nickel recycling accounts for 8% of China's nickel production. The recovered cobalt resources exceeds 200% of China's original cobalt mining amount. GEM's manufactured ternary core materials load comprise 15% of the world's ternary battery new energy vehicles, thus becoming the leading enterprise in the world's new energy material supply chain. GEM has made positive contribution to the world's green development. GEM won the Global Circular Economy Award from the World Economic Forum in Davos in 2018 and the Paulson Green Innovation Award for Sustainable Development in 2020. As a successful example of global waste recycling, GEM has been featured in Nature magazine and as a model enterprise for pollution reduction by the United Nations. GEM has established a green image for Chinese industry around the world. GEM has built green industrial parks in South Africa, Indonesia, and South Korea, thereby supporting One Belt, One Road with green technology.
Yang melatih sejumlah besar talenta hidrometeorologi yang luar biasa untuk Indonesia. Ingin menunjukkan nanti kereta api cepat Jakarta-Bandung dan proyek ini.
During the COVID-19, GEM delivered epidemic prevention supplies to governments and upstream and downstream friends in Europe, South Korea, Indonesia, and other countries at top speed, helping with the global fight against the epidemic and winning the respect of the global supply chain. The era of great changes is a green and low-carbon era. Chinese President Xi Jinping, also General Secretary of the Communist Party of China, CPC Central Committee, made a fact-finding trip to Wuhan GEM, which is engaged in the green recycling of electronic waste. Xi pointed out that turning waste into wealth through recycling is a promising sunrise industry. Turning rubbish into resources and transforming waste into wealth are not only science, but also arts. Hope GEM will make persistent efforts in the future.
这个是一门艺术，化腐朽为神奇啊！再有一个就是说我们的资源观，垃圾是放错了位置的资源啊。反过来讲呢，就是说资源就是说也可以把优化了的垃圾变成宝贵的资源。
At present, GEM is drawing the double swords of new energy materials plus mining urban mines. In the world's new wave of low-carbon development, GEM will cleave through the waves and forge ahead, becoming the world's leading enterprise for green and low-carbon development, and write a magnificent chapter for human green development.